India's first NEO project, the Personal Rapid Transit Corridor. Hello. The inauguration of the PRT, Personal Rapid Transit, Corridor in Uttarakhand, known as India's first NEO project, is indeed a significant achievement in the infrastructure sector. Exploring the details of this project and understanding its implications for transportation and connectivity can provide valuable insights. 8 Drones, a drone tech and analytics company, has secured a contract to survey the Uttarakhand Metro Rail Project, the country's inaugural PRT corridor under the NEO Metro system. The NEO Metro project plans to build state-of-the-art rapid transit systems in Dehradun, Haridwar, and Rishikesh in the next 4 years to ease traffic congestion. The Personalized Rapid Transit Corridor or PRT is being developed under the Mass Rapid Transit System, MRTS, that will link 3 cities Haridwar, Rishikesh, and Dehradun. An initiative by the government of Uttarakhand, the PRT corridor project is anticipated to be completed by 2024 and seeks to offer world-class and state-of-the-art commuting. 8 Drones will help prepare a detailed project report, DPR, by surveying the project through high-tech drones. The company will employ domestically developed drones to conduct regular overview of the ongoing work progress on the ground. The drones are equipped with advanced sensors capable of capturing high-resolution images, videos, and additional data from the ground. This collected data is then processed through IG1, their proprietary software, which offers in-depth technical insights and analytics. Bodhisattva Sanghapriya, founder and CEO, IG Drones said, in a statement, "Surveying a metro rail project in such tough terrain is a challenging task in itself, but we have the latest drone technology and software to monitor such projects in detail." Leveraging sophisticated drone technology, our company will furnish comprehensive technical insights and analytics to government officials and regulatory bodies, facilitating real-time project tracking and enhancing safety and security measures. If there are specific details or perspectives about the PRT corridor or other recent developments and achievements in the infrastructure sector that you'd like to discuss, or if there's more information you'd like to share, feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching.